La 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 la.
Yo, Lily, what's up? You look so happy.
明天是我跟男朋友认识1周年，他预定了烛光晚餐，超级罗曼蒂克。
That sounds very nice and 罗曼蒂克。罗曼蒂克 romantic. Very easy, isn't it? So today, let's check out some Loanwords in Chinese, which means words that are borrowed from other languages into Chinese. For words like romantic, 罗曼蒂克, they were initially not existed in Mandarin Chinese, but translated directly from other languages. And there are 3 major types of them. First, phonetic transcription from European languages. 罗曼蒂克 is translated from the pronunciation of romantic, and it's just like the country names we have talked about in our previous video. Other common ones are like 巧克力 chocolate, cool, 芭蕾 ballet, 迪斯科 disco, 比基尼 bikini, 披头士 the Beatles, and even 谷歌 Google. Another very important type is the words borrowed from Japanese. If you know how the Japanese language look like, you know how similar Japanese kanji and Chinese characters are. Actually, both Japanese language and Chinese language use a large amount of words from each other. And today, let's only check out some examples from Japanese to Chinese. 物理 物理 physics, 经济 経済 economy, 企业 企業 enterprise, 健康 健康 health, 料理料理 cooking, 社会社会 society, and even more direct ones like 哆啦 A 梦 哆啦 A 梦 任天堂 Nintendo, 欧巴桑 欧巴桑 Lastly, there are also more than 200 words in modern Chinese dictionary that begin with Western letters. And they are very familiar to most of us, such as NBA, UFO, USB, RMB, and HSK. So, do you like today's video? This is just a tiny part of Taoli's Chinese course. If you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can also go to our official website or the Taoli app, where you can find tons of free or paid courses to learn Mandarin Chinese. And if you would like us to talk about anything that is related to Chinese learning, like grammar, characters, or culture, or anything that confuses you, just let us know in a comment, and we will make the next video based on your request.